In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a picture as a background in Microsoft OneNote. This is a great way to personalize your notes, create visually appealing pages, and add more context to your content. Whether you're designing a themed notebook or simply want a cleaner layout, using an image as a background can make your notes stand out and feel more organized. To get started, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the notebook you want to work in. Once you're inside, go to the specific page where you would like to apply your background image. Make sure the page is fully loaded so you can access all the tools without any issues. Next, move your attention to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This section contains various options that allow you to add different types of content to your page, including images, files, and other elements that enhance your notes. Within the Insert tab, find and click on the Pictures option. After selecting it, a small menu will appear with different ways to add an image. Choose the option that allows you to insert a picture from your device. This will open a File Explorer window where you can browse through your computer. Take your time to locate the image you want to use. It could be stored in your Downloads, Documents, or any other folder on your device. Once you've found the image, click on it to select it, then confirm by inserting it into your OneNote page. The image will now appear on your page as a regular object. At this stage, the image is not yet set as a background, so you can still move or resize it if needed. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, right-click on the image to open a list of additional options. From that menu, select the option that sets the image as a background. As soon as you apply this setting, the image will lock into place behind your content. This means you can now type, draw, or add elements on top of it without accidentally moving the image. It creates a stable and visually consistent layout for your notes. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set a picture as a background in OneNote, giving your page a more personalized and polished appearance. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.